Hi friends, myself D.K. Narale, working as a assistant professor in Gopal Krishna Gokule College, Kolhapur. Today we will discuss about the chemistry practical BSc 1 inorganic chemistry experiment number 2 titrometric analysis. Experiment number 2 titrometric analysis. Aim of this experiment is to determine quantity of Fe2 ions from the given solution by titrating it with 0.1 normal potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7 solution, by using internal indicator, that is diphenylamine indicator. Apparatus for this experiment is required: watch glass, balance, 100 ml volumetric flask, burette, pipette, conical flask, beaker. Chemical for this experiment required is a given solution of FeSO4 containing Fe ions, that is FAS solution, 0.1 potassium dichromate solution, K2Cr2O7 solution, burette solution, diphenylamine indicator, disodium hydrogen phosphate solution. These chemicals are required for this experiment. Procedure for this experiment. First step, dilute the given solution of Fe2 ion, Fa ferrous sulfate, that is FeSO4 7H2O. 10 ml of Fe solution given to volumetric flask, 100 ml volumetric flask, 200 ml flask, by using distilled water up to mark 100 ml, distill up to 100 ml or cm cube water. Shake well this flask. Second step, rinse and fill the burette with 0.1 normal K2Cr2O7 solution by taking usual precaution. Third step, pipette out this 100 ml ferrous sulfate solution, 10 ml of above diluted ferrous sulfate solution, clean conical flask, that is titration flask. Add to it half test tube of dilute H2SO4 to normal dilute H2SO4, 1 test tube of disodium hydrogen phosphate solution. Then titrate the mixture against 0.1 normal K2Cr2O7 solution using diphenylamine indicator as internal indicator. After 10 ml solution of ferrous sulfate, add diphenylamine indicator 2 to 3 drop. The color of solution is turbid green color. After addition of 0.1 normal K2Cr2O7 by point to point add, then the color of solution changes from dark green, end point of is colorless, to violet color. Repeat the titration thrice time and record the constant burette reading, not mean burette reading but constant burette reading, says it is x ml, or that is x cm cube. Then calculate the strength of ferrous sulfate in terms of normality and gram per dm cube, from which amount of FeIN in the given solution can be calculated. The addition of diphenylamine indicator before end point, this dark color dichromate addition, then end point of titration, this violet color, addition of 0.1 normal K2Cr2O7, end point of the titration is violet color. These are the flask of before titration, after titration. Observation of this experiment: in burette 0.1 normal K2Cr2O7 solution, in conical flask, that is titration flask, 10 ml ferrous sulfate solution plus half test tube of dilute H2SO4 plus 1 test tube of disodium hydrogen phosphate solution. Third indicator diphenylamine, end point is the colorless to violet. Observation, final level 9.5 first reading, second 9.5 and third 9.6. From this difference, initial level 0 and difference is these two, final and initial 9.5, 9.5, 9.6 and constant burette reading, that is these two readings are constant, that's why constant burette reading is 9.5 ml or cm cube. X is 9.5. Calculation of this experiment is reaction K2Cr2O7 ferrous sulfate plus 7 H2SO4 then gives potassium sulfate plus chromium sulfate plus ferrous sulfate plus water molecule 7H2O. Calculation, we have CBr constant burette reading is xcm is equal to 9.5 cm cube. Formula for calculation of normality N1 P1 is equal to N22, that is K2Cr2O7 versus ferrous sulfate oxidizing agent and ferrous sulfate is reducing agent. N1 into V1 upon V2 is equal to 0.1 normality of K2Cr2O7 into X, that is V1 volume is 9.5 upon 10, volume of ferrous sulfate is 10 ml is equal to 0.095 normality of the ferrous sulfate. Gram per liter or dm cube of ferrous sulfate is equal to normality into equivalent weight. Why normality, that is the 0.095 normality into equivalent weight of ferrous sulfate is 278, then they multiply these two gives Z, that is 26.41 gram. This quantity of ferrous sulfate, that is Z, is the 1 liter or 1000 cm cube solution. Quantity of FeSO4 in 100 cm cube is equal to 100 into Z, that is this 26.41 is Z upon 1000 is equal to this 100 into 26.41 upon 1000 is equal to Z upon 10, 26 upon 41 upon 10 is equal to a gram of ferrous sulfate, that is the 2.641 gram. Then now 278 gram ferrous sulfate is equal to 1 Fe is equal to 56 gram of Fe ion. Then A of ferrous sulfate is equal to A into 56 upon 278 is equal to 2.641 into 56 upon 278 is equal to 0.532 gram B of FeIN in the ferrous sulfate solution. Result of this experiment is, first result, not mean constant burette reading of titration is X, that is X is equal to 9.5 cm cube or ml. Second, quantity of FeIN in the given solution B is equal to 0.532 gram. Thank you for listening and watching.